Dear children, continuation of the previous class, question number, exercise number 75, question number 8. Okay, read the question first. One of the two angles of an isosceles triangle is 64 degree. Isosceles triangle means आपको पता है what is the isosceles triangle? Two sides are same. So one side is 64 degree. So you listen here. One is 64 degree. So this side will also it may be 64 degree. Is it clear? So this also 65, this also 64 degree. Okay. One of the two angles of an isosceles triangle. Isosceles means two sides of the angles are same. Then find the measure of each angle of the triangle. So each angle we have to find out. Okay. So what is the two angles already we got? Then we have to find out the third one. We have to find out the third one. What is this? Come here. Same. You have to write the statement same. Okay. Sum of three angles equal to sum of three angles equal to how much it is? 180 degree, isn't it? That we know, 180 degree. Now we know the sum of two angles. Two angles of an isosceles. Sum of two angles equal to sum of two angles. I am writing here isosceles. Equal to 64 degree plus 64 degree equal to 128 degree. Okay. Therefore, third side of the angle equal to. We have to find measurement angle of the triangle. So we have to get the third side. Therefore, third angle equal to 180 degree minus 128 degree. Okay, so what we will get? Third angle equal to 180 degree minus 128 degree equal to, what is the answer? You will get, okay, 28 2 then 30 50 52 degrees. So answer is, what is the third angle we got? 52 degree. Here it is 52 degree. So 64 128 plus 2 30 plus 50 180. So total sum of the triangle is equal to 180 degree. So answer is clear. Come to the next question, question number 9. Find the measure of each of the two equal angles of an isosceles right triangle. Okay. So we know we have to draw the triangle. One is isosceles. So isosceles means two sides of the angle, but we don't know what it is. But here right triangle. We know what is a right triangle. Which angles measure 90 degree is called right triangle. So here one angle we know, we should understand that one angle equal to 90 degree. Right angle means 90 degree. Okay. Then we know what is the third. Then what the question is, find the measure of each of the two equal angles of an isosceles. Two should be equal. One we got 90. Then again we have to write the sums. Okay. Sum of three angles equal to sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. Is it clear? Sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. Then one right triangle is there. Right triangle measures 90 degree, we know. So we have to find out the okay, measures of right triangle equal to right triangle equal to 90 degree. Is it clear? Then we have to find out the isosceles two angles. It means isosceles triangles. So the isosceles triangles equal and two angles, equal angles of an isosceles equal to, therefore two equal angles of an isosceles equal to what it is, 180 degree minus 90 degree equal to how much it is, 90, 180, 90 degree. So two angles already, two equal angles. So we have to find out the each angles. Okay. So 90 degree equal to, therefore the third angle equal to. So we know third angle what it is, what will be the third angle. Not a third angle, 190 degree, this is two angles of an isosceles, 90 degree. So we know the two equal angles equal to 90 degree, isn't it? We got 90 degree, two equal angles. So what is the one angles? 90 degree, 90 degree divided by 2. But how much it will be? 45. So one side equal to, here it is 45 degree. Here also it will be 45 degree. Okay, 45, 45, 90, 90 plus 90, 80. So one side, one angle, otherwise so three angles are 45 degree, comma, 45, 45 degree, comma, 45 degree, comma, here it is right angle 90 degree. These are the three angles. Is it clear? Dear children, question number 10. Find each of the two equal angles of an isosceles triangle. Okay, whose third angle is 80 degree. So you have to draw the triangle. One means the third angle. One of the angle, whatever it is, one third angle we got 80 degree. Then this two will be isosceles triangle. Is it clear? Then same statement you have to write, sum of the three angles equal to sum of three angles equal to 180 degree. Okay, we got one angles. Okay, one angle equal to one angle, measure other one angle and measure of one angle equal to measure of one angle equal to 80 degree. 80 degree, that is in the question. This also we know already. Okay, then we have to find out the two isosceles triangle. We know two angles of an isosceles equal to isosceles triangle equal to 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100. So what it is 100 degree, that is isosceles triangles. Okay, so that two angles should be equal. Okay, so what is the one angle equal to 100 divided by 100 divided by 2. It will be 50 degree. Is it clear? So one angle should be 50 degree. Then another angle also should be 50 degree. 50, 50, 100 plus 80, 180. Okay. Here two angles of an isosceles triangle equal to, we have to find out that 100, if we minus 180 minus 80, we will get two equal angles of an isosceles triangle. Then from that we have to find out the one side of the angle. It should be equal, no? So we have to divide it by 2. Okay, so 100 we got, then divided by 2, it is 50 degree. Is it clear? Then, dear children, from the book, question number 11, fill in the blanks with equilateral, isosceles or scalene. Okay, we know equilateral means equals are, then isosceles means two angles are equal, then scalene means three angles are different. Okay, then according to that we have to find out these questions. Okay, in first one, in triangle ABC, if angle A equal to 55 degree, angle A equal to 55 degree and angle C equal to 45 degree and triangle ABC is dash, तो आपको पहले उसको एंगल्स को फाइंड आउट करके तब आपको फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स पढ़ सकती है. अभी मैं एक का एग्जांपल ये 11th वाला को आपको समझा रही हूँ. तो एंगल ये ट्रायंगल ABC है, आपको ये ट्रायंगल ABC, एंगल A इक्वल टू 55 डिग्री, ये दिस इज 55 डिग्री. देन एंगल B we have to find out, C equal to 45 degree. Here it is 45 degree. Is it clear? So we have to find out the third side. Listen here, 55 plus 45, 100. Isn't it? 55, 60 plus 40, 100. So what it will be the third side? 100 minus, 180 degree minus 100 degree equal to, what is the third side? It will be 80 degree. So here it is 80 degree. Is it clear? Here you see 45 degree, 50 degree, 80 degree. Three sides are the different. Okay, different. Okay children, now you see these three angles are different. So what triangle it may be? Scalene triangle. We have to find out like that. So first one is the scalene. Okay, second one. This is A, this is B. Just I am explaining you. Angle triangle PQR, angle P equal to 90 degree and angle Q equal to 45 degree. Then triangle PQR is dash. पहले हम लोग को ट्रायंगल बनाना पड़ेगा. ट्रायंगल P 90 डिग्री हो गया, Q 45 डिग्री हो गया. 90 प्लस 45 कितना हो गया? ओके, 135. इज इट क्लियर? 135 डिग्री. सो 180 माइनस 135 इक्वल टू 45 डिग्री है. तो हियर टू एंगल्स आर इक्वल. फॉर हियर sorry, here what I told here, B, P, Q, R, angle P 90 degree, okay, here 45 degree. Then what will be the third side? 180. Here 90 plus 45, 135. Okay, the answer is 45 degree. Okay, so here third side will be 45 degree. So two opposite sides are equal. It means this is isosceles triangle. This third B is the isosceles triangle. Is it clear? Like that we have to find out. Third one is C is triangle AXYZ. X equal to Y equal to X equal to Y equal to 60 degree. Then triangle XYZ is dash. So X and X equal to Y equal to 60 degree. So X